How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the 2018 Ram 2500, and as you guys seen in the previous episode, we got the doors painted on the truck. I gave those just a couple more days for the paint to fully cure, and now we're pretty much ready to start getting these back together. I've started working with the sound deadening on this door just to kind of help reduce some of that road noise and whatnot, and it makes the door a little bit more sturdier. We'll get to that in just a second. Then we also got the fan shroud in for the cooling system, so if things go as planned, we should get the cooling system all back together, and possibly we could smoke some tires there at the end. For now, stay tuned and let's get started, boys. All right, guys, just wrapped it up with the soundproofing on the front door. Now let's get it back together. All right, guys, so we got the doors back together, except for this right front. The window was still rolled up, and I'm gonna need to get some help to swap the doors out and try to lower it down. Plus, that window is jammed since the truck did roll over on that side. So if we have to, I'll just go to the junkyard and get another one. But check this out. The doors do open up really nice and smooth. We might have to adjust them just a little bit more. That'll be later on though. But check this out. Listen to this right here. Here with the soundproofing, and then check this one out. I don't know why these doors are made so cheap. Anyways, for now we're gonna go ahead and jump on the front end, get all the coolers mounted up. We should have everything we need to complete the cooling system, so let's get started. What's up, guys? It's been a few days since that last clip because we did have to go pick up the DRZ in Texas. If you haven't seen the new build, click the link right up here. Anyways, before we left, I found out I ordered the wrong radiator for the diesel setup. We got the correct one on order. It should be in within the next couple of days, and then we can wrap it up with the cooling system. For now, we're gonna jump on the frame brackets. As you can see, they're pretty much crunched up. I couldn't even get the bumper bolts off. We got the replacements right over here. So let's jump on this and get these installed. Dang, guys, check this out. It does seem like these bolts right here are a little bit too long to clear, so we are gonna have to jump on this intercooler and take it off. All right, guys, so we got the frame brackets installed as well as the tow hooks. Check that out. It still doesn't make much sense to me that you have to pull the cooler off for these bolts right here to back out. I'm sure if you flip that plate over, it would work, but I guess it looks a little bit cleaner with the nuts on this side. Anyways, we also got the intercooler tested since it did take a lick of damage right here. And at the bottom, this sucker did survive, which we did get kind of lucky on since it is like 800 bucks new. We also got this bracket right here straightened out and touched up. So let's go ahead and reinstall this sucker and get it out of the way. How's it looking? There we go. 2 brackets to line up and put the bolts in, and then we'll get the hot and cold side intercooler lines, and then we'll be good to go. So I got the intercooler reinstalled and all the trim pieces. That's pretty much all I can do until the radiator comes in. For now, I'm gonna roll the footage of the little progress we got done on the Silverado. a wrap for this episode. The radiator did kind of slow us down, but it's all right. We'll take care of it in the next one. I just went ahead and painted the fenders and the hood on the Silverado. That truck did pass inspection. I also got some DannyTV hats made, so if you want to copy one and support the channel, DM me on Instagram or hit me up through email. Those links are in the description. With all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, hit that like bell and sub button to support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.TV for a sneak peek there before YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.